Today we are going to help a user out by combining Tinkercad and Inkscape. So let's get cracking. Alright friends, so let me show you how we're going to fill in just the inside of this W. We're going to push it below 0 and we're simply going to export that project as an SVG. I'm going to call it W2 and we're simply going to save that shape. Now we're going to switch to another awesome free tool called Inkscape. We want to open a file, and we're going to open the one called W2 and choose Open. Now this part is a little tricky. When you export an SVG in Tinkercad, it does not really show up. If we do Control A, you can see there was something to select. We need to find the Fill and Stroke menu. If you don't see it, it will be under the Object menu. And then we want to switch to stroke style, and the problem was it was 4 thousandths for the width of a millimeter. I'm going to make that 0.25 and press enter. Now we've got nice thick lines to work with, and then we just need to alter this design so that we have the inside of it. We're going to do that by using the node tool. We're going to click on this node and we want to delete this outside line. It is so slick we can just break the path, and then I can click on that line and delete it. It's gone. I'm going to go to this one, and once again, we are going to break the path. Just so it's real clear, we can delete that. I need to come over here, and we're going to break that path again. Hit delete. And we want this one right here to break as well. And hit delete. At this point, I'm going to shift select those two. Notice they are both blue, and we're going to join them with a brand new segment. And we're going to click right here and shift click, and we're going to join those with a brand new segment as well. Now we can grab all the rest of these and hit delete. Notice it was touching this line, but it did not enclose it, so that way it was not a problem for deleting. I can select those and delete. Those and delete, and those and delete. Right there, friends, you have the shape for the inside of our design. I want to show you one more thing with these nodes selected. There are extra nodes here we really do not need. We can clean that up by choosing Path and Simplify. Notice now it only has the endpoints we want. We can at this point switch to Export. You can also do File and get the Export menu. I'm going to make sure that I switch to a plain SVG. Let's click over here and change the name. Because this is the second one, I'm going to put a B here, and we can simply hit Save. We are done with Inkscape. We can now close it. I'm going to leave the original as it was. And when we return to Tinkercad, I'm going to bring this back by hitting D to drop. And at this point, we can import, choose that file. There is the W2B. We only want the art. The measurements are going to be perfect. And bam, we have got our design. We do need to select the two of them. Do L for a line. Make it go to the top and the middle. Just like that, you've made the inside edges. Check the measurements of this one is 26. So I can easily click right here and set it to 26 as well. And then pick a fun color. Just like that. Bingo, the inside of that complex shape. Friends, as I wrap up, I want to say thanks again to Tom for the question. It is super cool that users can share their projects with me. Tom was in the Facebook user group Tinkering with Tinkercad. If you haven't checked it out, it is absolutely awesome, as is the Tinkercad Worldwide user group. And of course, friends, I always love when we get to use a little bit of Inkscape as well. Of course, friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering. Friends, as I wrap up, I do want to say thanks to all my supporters on Patreon. I also want to remind you about my website, HLModTech.com. I've got a page dedicated to Tinkercad with tons of amazing categories. Below that, you'll find the Day One favorites, the Useful Starters, and the Tinkercad Essentials. If you scroll down just a little bit further, you will find my course, Tinkercad in 20 days. It is hosted on cadclass.org. If you check out this video right here, it tells you all about it. I do also want to highlight there is a sweet coupon code HL25 Tinkercad. It'll get you 25% off any of the amazing courses at cadclass.org. You can visit the site by clicking this link right here. I do also want to highlight the sweet built-in messaging tool. Friends, you can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.